here we are at the pull-off. It's about 6:45, and one of the more frustrating things is when you show up to shoot and it kind of looks like this. Okay, so what I want to talk about today, the one little thing that I have with me is this, which is the Bronica ETRSi medium format camera with a 75mm f2.8 lens on it. It has the waist level viewfinder here that lets you look through. The 75 2.8 lens is close to about a 50mm equivalent. And it is just a great lens. 120 film back on it, and I think I only have a few exposures left, so yeah, like maybe 2 or 3. So yeah, it's a really cool camera, really fun to play around with. So if you guys are in the market for a medium format camera, or you want to try it out, this one is always a great option. Okay, so it's 7:01, which means it is actually sunrise, and it is still super foggy, and on top of that, it has started to rain. It's always frustrating, you know, when you're trying to, you got kind of like an idea of what you want and you can kind of see it almost, especially with landscapes. You know the location, you know what it looks like, you know kind of what the sun's gonna do, so you just plan it out and you say, all right, now I want to take this picture with this in the picture, and it just doesn't work out. The weather never cooperates. God always has his own little plan sometimes. So yeah, you just kind of got to roll with the punches. We'll see what we can get. The days where it's just foggy and dreary like this, it's good for, you know, doing a little bit more moodier stuff. So we're going to try some of that out and see what we get. Okay, so it is 7:15 and it is still rainy. It is still just dreary and foggy, and I just don't think I'm gonna get much of anything. I'm gonna drive around a little bit, go get some coffee and go get some breakfast because the stomach is killing me. I'm so hungry. Got my biscuits, coffee, and I think I'm gonna drive down to a waterfall. It's not far out of town. See what it looks like. Maybe take a few shots, depending on what it looks like. But we're gonna check it out. See what we get. Oh, okay. All right. We're here. We're at what's called Dry Falls. When you head out of Highlands and you go towards Franklin, there are 2 waterfalls kind of right outside of the town. One of them is called Bridal Veil Falls, and it's really popular. People like to stop there because it's right on the side of the road, and the highway actually used to go right up under the waterfall. But if you keep driving maybe another, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile, on the left there's a pull-off and it's called Dry Falls, or a pull-off for Dry Falls. Some people like to stop, some people don't. It's a little bit of a walk to the actual falls to get out into them, but it is definitely worth it. You can probably hear it from here. They're running pretty strong because all the rain and stuff, but it is just gorgeous.
just don't give up. If it's a bad day, if it's a rainy day, stick around, find another location, and just go for it, because you will find something awesome.